Hi, and welcome to 3261 South Appaloosa Way here in beautiful Rancho Caballo. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is situated on a lot that's over 12,000 square feet with plenty of room for RV parking. Double front doors open into a very spacious front. You've got your living room, dining, and kitchen that way. Family room here, and master bedroom here. The other 4 bedrooms are upstairs. Master bedroom is 13 feet by 15 feet wide. Features a skylight with shades in the center of the master bedroom and French doors to the patio. It is a full-length covered patio. The pool area is separately fenced for safety. And the home features 2 updated air conditioning units on this side. One for the top and one for the bottom floor. The master bedroom features his and hers walk-in closets. Plenty of storage. Master bathroom has dual vanities, lots of cabinets. Glass block separates the water closet area and also gives a little more privacy in the shower and keeps the shower from splashing out. Cute little shaving bench down here on this end and built-ins right here hidden behind this door. This front living room is 11 feet 11 inches by 16 feet 11 inches. Loft upstairs overlooks this room. You've got the double front doors. This door here is to the laundry room, followed by the half bath, and then the living room over here. The laundry room has a laundry chute from upstairs. Hi! Folding counter in here and a pitted drain to keep the water in if you happen to get an overflow from your washing machine. Of course, there's a closet under the stairs for extra storage. Cute half bath. Living room in here and dining room right there. Extra storage separates the 2 areas. This area here is 13 feet 7 inches by 15 feet. You have your return air exchange over there, and that's where you would mount your television. Dining room area is just slightly larger at 17 feet, but only 12 feet wide. French doors to the patio from the dining area. Granite countertops in the kitchen. The center island. Good size walk-in pantry. Plenty of storage. And room for an extra refrigerator or deep freezer. There's currently an oven and convection microwave in here. And stainless steel dishwasher. And a nice smooth finish cooktop. Lots and lots of drawer space and cabinet space. Super cute. And in case you were wondering, this is the spot where your refrigerator would go right over here. The other 3 bedrooms are just upstairs, and there's also 2 loft areas as well. This first loft area is 10.7 by 10.1. Features a cute round window. Nice ceiling fan. Just above this loft area is a nice skylight. And then that brings us to our second loft area over here. That one's 9.10 by 9 feet 11 inches. And it has a French door out to the patio. Nice balcony. And then here are other 3 bedrooms and renovated guest bath. I really love what they did in this guest bathroom. You've got the shower here, but you still have a tub for bathing. 2 sinks, undermount, granite countertops, full linen storage here. And this last cabinet over here on the right is what pops into that laundry chute in the laundry room below. Okay, totally lied. It's on the left. But you can see it goes down into that laundry chute below. And that's where it's hidden. Another great feature is all the storage here. Wouldn't this be perfect for family game night, extra blankets, maybe Christmas stuff? This is our first bedroom here, just to the right of the guest bathroom upstairs. This bedroom is 9 feet 11 inches by 12 feet 8 inches. This center bedroom is the smaller of the three, and it is 9 feet 2 inches by 10 feet. Our third bedroom upstairs is 9 feet 11 inches by 12 feet 7 inches. And the closet's here. Our third skylight is just over the stairwell. And we're going to cruise out and see this patio. Get a view of the fields. And that white tower in the distance, right over there, is where they have all the fireworks right by that for all of the holidays. Nice view of the pool down there. Have martinis up on the deck while watching the fireworks. And now we're back inside. This home is over 2,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The roof has recently been recoated, and all 3 skylights were replaced. Upstairs is new carpet. We even put the plastic on to keep it from wearing. The guest bathroom has this beautiful wood look tile in it. And of course, granite countertops up here as well. The dual sinks with the undermount vanities. Several upgraded light fixtures. This staircase is just one of my favorite things. I love the peeled beams. Last quick overview of the renovated kitchen. And then into the living room. And then there's the other living room when we first walk through the front door, just beyond the kitchen here. Just to give you an idea of the layout. Okay, last fun fact is it does have a central vac. So you can plug this giant hose wherever you want, turn the vacuum on inside of the garage, and vacuum up all these fun little things that blow in from wherever. There you go. Now I've demonstrated how to vacuum as well. How about that? All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day and enjoy this home.